In this video, I'll show you how to create a purchase order in QuickBooks. First, log into QuickBooks Online and open the company you want to use. Next, click Create in the top left corner and select Purchase Order. Now choose the vendor you want to send the purchase order to. After that, enter the purchase order date and review the delivery address. Next, go to the Item Details section and select the products or services you want to order. Enter the quantity, rate, and any additional information needed. If you need to order more items, click Add a Line and enter the additional products or services. Now, review the purchase order carefully and make sure the vendor, items, quantities, and prices are correct. After that, add any notes or terms you want the vendor to receive. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Send if you want to email the purchase order directly to the vendor. Finally, return to the Purchase Orders section to review the order and track its status. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a purchase order in QuickBooks. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.